with Legend Playtime! Hi guys, we have Squishy Squooshems. These pillows are soft and squishy, and I'm gonna hug it right now. These have names. Mine is Danny. Mine is Zoe. And what's yours, Bear? Tim. Hey. No, this is Zoe. And this is Tim. We're sleeping on our pillows. You can throw them up in the air also. Dinosaurs can fly.
Tigers!
No, unicorn.
The
pterodactyls.
No, unicorn can fly. Look, see? He
Right?
I can fly.
No, baby squishy squooshems. What's that called?
Hello, fly.
Squishy squooshems.
Yes.
Can fly because it's an owl.
Yeah, and then the unicorn fly.
I'm so lonely down
No.
here. Someone fly me.
But you cheated.
How am I cheating? I'm good at board games. I also can do a front flip. I'm good at front flip. I like the barefoot.
Squishy squooshems. Squeeze and cuddle me.
Oh, you made the boxes.
Collect us all.
Let's the boxes.
There's websites.
It's two boxes.
What's the website?
See, it's two boxes.
There's websites and sites.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look.
Collect them all. Visit.
You can look at them at Facebook, Twitter. You see them in the...
Oh, you can register your SquishMallow.
Oh, yeah. We already said...
And for the chance to win contests and prizes.
But maybe we'll get the...
Let's try to register.
Maybe we'll just get the same. So, if we get the same, our little pet toys can...
No, we don't have the other one yet.
Yeah.
The gray one.
That's a bunny.
Mommy, look. Baby broke it.
Oh no, you broke it there.
Oh, no.
But I'm not broken.
We saw the gray one, but we thought this one was better. So, but I think the gray one was better
Whoa.
because it had like little ears. And it's like really good for a pillow as well. I'm gonna have a nice nap.
Me. Now we need to read this.
And they each have their own card. And they have their own little story and websites you can go to. So, Danny's story is, you will always want Danny on your team. Why? He is the king of games. Danny loves strategizing for board games, puzzles, outdoor sports, or scavenger hunts with his buddies.
And then something in it bumped her head. So I'm gonna eat breakfast. And then Zoe hurt her face. And then he broke her crown. Ever again. And then ever. And then he just broke her. And he just and then he gonna call her mom. And then no losers. And then winner is complete. And then we stop. So what?
May I see that? You're making stories. Okay. How about yours, Bear? Tim. He is one of the greatest leading guitarists. Oh, Tim's a guitarist.
Please leave a comment down below to see which one is your favorite. Mine, Ernie's, or Dasha's. Comment down below. Comment down below right now. As soon as you see this video, right now.
I like mine.
No, Mommy said me. No, Mommy said me. No, Mommy said me. I'm gonna be me. Mommy said me. Mommy said me. Okay, look at this cute face.
Look at this cute face. And then
Look
her
at
horn. It's so precious.
Do we match?
Look at this horn. It's so fun.
Squish it. And that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.